Hey there, curious learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, exploring prompt formats, text, images, and beyond. Have you ever wondered how different types of prompts shape our interactions with AI? Stick around as we unravel the secrets behind prompt formats and how they influence our digital world. Let's kick things off by understanding what prompt formats are all about. Prompt formats are like the language we use to talk to AI. Whether it's through text, images, or other mediums, prompt formats play a crucial role in how we communicate with artificial intelligence. Now, why are prompt formats so important, you ask? Well, think of them as the keys to unlocking the potential of AI. They determine how accurately and effectively our queries are understood and responded to. For example, using text prompts for writing tasks and image prompts for visual analysis. Text prompts are probably the ones you're most familiar with. It's like typing your question into a search bar. For instance, asking a language model to write a poem based on a text prompt. Text prompts offer flexibility and precision in conveying our instructions to AI systems. Next up, we have image prompts. These are like showing a picture to an AI and asking it to understand what's in the image. For example, providing an image of a cat to generate captions. Image prompts are super helpful for tasks that involve visual content interpretation. Ever talk to your phone or a smart speaker and had it respond? That voice prompts in action. It's like having a conversation with AI. Just speak your command, and it'll do the rest. For instance, using voice commands to set reminders or play music hands-free. Now, let's talk about multimodal prompts. These combine different formats like text, images, and voice. It's like using all your tools in the toolbox at once. For example, sending a text message with an attached image and a voice note. Multimodal prompts make interactions with AI more natural and comprehensive. Sometimes, off-the-shelf prompt formats don't cut it. That's where custom prompt formats come in. These are tailored to specific tasks like medical diagnosis or legal analysis. For instance, designing a specialized interface for doctors to input patient symptoms. When choosing a prompt format, there are a few things to keep in mind. Consider the task at hand, user preferences, and the capabilities of the AI system. For instance, opting for image prompts when dealing with visual information. It's all about finding the best fit for the job. The world of prompt formats is always evolving. Keep an eye out for emerging technologies and innovations. From virtual reality environments for immersive interactions to new ways of combining different formats, the possibilities are endless. And there you have it, folks. Prompt formats are the gateway to effective communication with AI. Whether it's text, images, voice, or a combination of them all, understanding how to use different prompt formats can unlock incredible possibilities. So, let's keep exploring and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with prompt formats. Thanks for joining us today, learners. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Keep exploring, keep learning, And until next time, stay curious. See you in the next video.